Let's set the record straight. You don't have to have a ton of money. You also don't need to be a super hoarder
Wow.
to need a professional organizer. I'm gonna go over some of the signs you might need a person like me. I have worked with a ton of different personality types. It's not a one size fits all. Some people need me to literally coach them through the process, and some people just want me to get it done. So here are some of the signs that may help you decide whether to make the investment in a professional organizer. Number one, you are constantly misplacing things. If you bring things into your home and within 10 minutes you can't find it again, that might be a sign that you need someone to help you find a real home for it. That might also involve just clearing out the clutter. You need someone to help you make a space, clear it out, and have a clear vision for what you want inside your home. Another reason might be that you just feel overwhelmed within your own space. My goal for all of my clients is to bring a little bit of peace. I want you to come home and feel like, oh my gosh, this is my home. This is where I'm making memories with my family. I don't want you to walk in the door and feel, oh my gosh, what am I cooking for dinner? I don't know where anything is. The laundry's in the pile. It's just stressful. Let's get rid of that. This is my job to help you reduce your stress and live a better life. If you've also recently thought to yourself, oh my gosh, we're out of space, we need to move. No, you don't. Let's just make better use of the space that you have. And let's be honest, buying a home right now is not fun. The market is way out of budget for a lot of people. So let's make the home that you already have a better place for you. Let's just make it work. Kind of along those same lines, if you feel embarrassed about the state of your home, you don't want to have people over, the idea of family just dropping by gives you so much anxiety, then that could be a sign that you need a professional organizer, because I will help you sort through all of the things and help you create a system where you know where things go. And if someone calls and says, I'm going to be there in 10 minutes, you can quickly put things away, and that will just make you feel more at peace and more open to having people come over and enjoy your home with you. A lot of times, especially in a pantry or a refrigerator, I'll open it up and there are a million cans of the same thing or jars of the same product. It's kind of a running joke with my sweet mother-in-law. Every time I go visit her in Colorado, I clean out her fridge or I clean out her pantry. And a lot of times I'm finding duplicates or just things that got lost in the back, and they are outdated or they went bad or anything like that. She's lucky. She gets me for free. I like to say that I am in the business of efficiency. I want you to live your life knowing exactly what you have, how much of something you have, and where it all is. Because let's be honest, no one wants to spend their time rifling through things, stressed that you forgot to pay a bill. It all makes so much more sense when you are working with a professional organizer, because we help you achieve that goal. A lot of women, especially, are busy moms. Whether you're working full-time or you're staying home with your kids, it's busy, and sometimes you just want it done. Whatever we decide to part with, whether that is trash or donate, I will handle all of that for you. It goes with me when you walk out the door, so you can't change your mind, and it also is just done. It's not something else on your to-do list. You don't have to worry about it anymore. It is donated. If you need a donation receipt, I got you, but it's just taken care of, and then you can breathe a sigh of relief that it is completed. Check, done, check it off the list. Maybe sometimes you don't exactly know what the problem is, but you just know that it's not working. That is a great time for me to come in and help you figure it out. We'll solve it together. It's almost like teaching you the fundamentals of practicality. I walk into a lot of kitchens and there's utensils in one drawer. It doesn't really make sense. So I'm able to look over how you're going to use this space and recommend areas that would make the most sense for your function in your daily life. Keep in mind that I am constantly looking at products, looking at systems, and I might be able to recommend something that you hadn't considered before or thought about or even know about. You have to be willing to participate in the process of either purging or making these changes to your life. A big part of organizing is truly narrowing down all that you have, and a lot of folks just are not ready for that, and they are not prepared to get rid of things. And I'm gonna tell you, when I come into your home, I'm gonna tell you to get rid of some stuff. Hard truth, sorry. And if you're not ready to do that, then now's not the time that we work together, but I'll be here when you are. One of my very first videos, I gave away my #1 tip when it comes to getting organized. You can watch it here. In the meantime, based on what you just heard, I wanna know, do you need a professional organizer and why? Let me know in the comments below. Happy sorting.